Of course, I'm happy we won the game and had a shutout, and I think we played good, like a away game. We were like, I think we were better team, and I think we earned the win. Um, there was like couple bad places, but I think we played like pretty good defense today, and they didn't have too many chances. Actually, I didn't get too many shots there. Like we played really good. I think they didn't even get to our zone. We were putting puck back to their zone, so we were playing really good defense there. Yeah, it's good to get a 3 points. We need those points, and it's always feels much better to win than lose. So, of course, we're looking forward next game.